Yeah, I decided to try to start this 086 Cutlass today. Been sitting in the yard since October of 2003. Been sitting, I parked her one day and the battery went dead, and that's the way she's set. Time to fire her back up. So, okay, we got the Walmart EverStart Max battery in. Like I said, she's been sitting since 2003, so I'm gonna dump a little gas down the carburetor and we'll try a real true first start. And we'll go from there. Hopefully the battery's got enough charged. Run it over. There you go. Started in no time. I can't believe that. 4 years of sitting. Way too long, too hard on the car. My daughter's car, she's gonna be here in a little while. I think I'll surprise her, try to get it all washed up and see where we go from there. We ended up putting I think we got a 307 in here now. Should have really went with a 350, but she runs good and when she ran. And let's see here. Gonna give you, I broke the wing on it, unfortunately. That's here last year, kind of cleaning around it. Yeah, you can't beat American. That's all there is to it. Still find it hard to believe. I thought I'd do a cold start and it really actually worked. How about that?